So I will show you why you should not use the custom fabric width enclosure via print layout. So these are 3 results that I came with, okay? So I ran a first test with 24 inches right here, the 24 inches width, which is I use a custom setting in CLO, and I exported as 1:1 ratio. And as you can see right here, my pattern cutoffs. And the next result here, I also use a custom setting, 24 inches fabric width, then exported at 24, okay? 24 inches, which is the printing template. You will see when you try to save the fabric as this is what it comes with. You either select the US letter, the A4 paper size, or the 24 format. And here, this is the result. As you can see, the pattern down below here, right there, okay? Also cut off. Next, the third result right there. I did the 24 inches, once again, custom fabric width, and exported as letter, okay? And here, as you can see, the pattern cut off as well. However, if you guys find the result about what is wrong with that custom setting under the fabric width, please share, leave us comment right below the video. We would appreciate it. And I will show you more with the one that you can use, okay? I also ran a few more tests right here by using the default fabric roll, okay? So let me show you. This is the 44-inch fabric width that default enclosed. So I exported as letter, and as you can see, the pattern came out perfect. All in the range, no cutoff, no nothing. Next, the 55 inches fabric width, again, I printed out I exported out as letter. Once again, everything came in perfect. No cutting, no missing match. It's all in one sheet, okay? Next, the 58 inches, okay? So the 58 inches as well came out perfect. No pattern cut-offs, no nothing. So as a result, I recommend use the default one and not the custom one.
Hi, I'm Rose Billy from encoderfashion. There is more information under this video. Bye!